Baking is a good distraction, and also I can eat it afterwards. I want to make it a goal for next year to just stop drinking alcohol. Good morning, guys. Sorry about the lighting, but welcome to a new vlog. Today I was actually planning on filming 3 videos. There's no way that I'm going to film a video today. I got my period yesterday. I had such bad cramps yesterday, like dying, and I just know, like, there's no way I'm filming today. Like, I'm in so much pain. It's actually like almost 12. I just got out of bed. Like, I literally slept for so long because I didn't go to bed until like 2 or something, and then I kept waking up throughout the night, and I woke up really early at like 7, and then I went back to sleep, and then I was like, no. I just went and walked Devin, and now I'm gonna feed him. I feel like fucking ass, literally. Alright, so just did some dishes and I need to go edit now. Oh my god, you guys, my mood today is not fun. Like, I'm not nice today. I'm just gonna see you guys tomorrow. I don't feel like vlogging anymore. I'm like pissed off for no reason. My hormones are just really bad and crazy today. I'm using my ring light to film because I just finished filming Just Get Ready With Me, and it's so dark now and I wanted to film another video, but it's too dark, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Also, my sister just came with her boyfriend, so I'm just gonna spend some time with them. I'm back making cinnamon rolls again, but this time I have the recipe on my iPad so I can actually film and vlog. Yeah, I already melted the butter and almond milk, and that needs to cool down a little bit. Then I have to add the yeast, let it activate for 10 minutes, but now I got the flour ready and I need to get some salt. I'm feeling kind of down, so I'm baking to distract myself. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Baking is a good distraction, and also I can eat it afterwards. So okay, this can be added now. Minutes. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to this recipe. I'm making cinnamon rolls, by the way. The dough is like pretty easy when it comes to like the ingredients. It's just like this has to sit for 10 minutes. Then you add the flour and the sugar and salt, and you mix it, and then you need to start like kneading it and like getting it ready, and then you need to let it sit for like an hour, and it'll like rise up and get bigger, and then you need to roll it out. You put like sugar and like cinnamon and butter on the inside. Then you need to roll it up, cut it into pieces, put it in your pan, let that sit for like, I don't know, like 10-15 minutes. I can't remember. You let that sit for a little bit, and then you put melted butter on top, put it in the oven for like 25 minutes. Then you make the little frosting, which is like super easy. It's like powdered sugar and almond milk. Okay, the yeast activated. Now we have to add the flour, or kidding, we're gonna add the sugar and the salt, and start adding the flour. So I just start adding some and mixing it. Last time I made this, my dough was so good, so I'm hoping I can do that again, because like my dough is fucking bomb. Like, I can't wait to have like my own place and have like a nice big kitchen to like bake in and shit, have like professional baking tools. Like, I want to get the KitchenAid and shit. Oh, can't wait. And then whenever people come over, I have like fresh baked goods, and like, oh my god, I can't wait. Even though I kind of want my own place and like be by myself and like have no one come over, I'm also like excited to like have people over, cook for them, like watch movies and shit, play like fun games. I want to have like a good selection of like games to play. I want to have like a little cocktail station. I want to learn how to make cocktails, and like have a little like one of those carts, you know, that have like cocktail stuff on them. Make cocktails for my friends. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below, so if you want to make this yourself, it's all vegan, go ahead. I'm not vegan anymore, but I do try to eat as much vegan as I can. But I'm not strictly vegan anymore. I'd say I'm pescatarian now. I have dairy sometimes. I don't really like having eggs, but sometimes there's eggs and stuff, and then I eat some fish every now and then, but I don't eat meat at all. Like, I don't really want to eat meat ever. Yeah, I try to eat vegan as much as I can. Most days I eat vegan anyway, so I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I did not vlog today and I'm really sorry. I don't know why. I kept thinking, oh, I need to vlog, and then I forgot for some reason. I didn't do anything special today. Let me pause this. I'm watching my PD. I didn't do anything special. I woke up, I was editing, I was like doing stuff on my computer. Then I went and got ready and filmed. I quickly went and got my nails fixed. My nail lady was the best. She was like, if you can come in at 4, I can do your nails really quickly, because this one broke off. And then the gel polish on like this one and my thumb came off, and I think this one too. And then I got home, then I went out to eat with my brother, got home, did some more editing, and I'm about to go take out my makeup. It's like 11:30 right now. It's really late. And then tomorrow I'm doing some editing work. I need to do groceries. I need to buy some alcohol for New Year's Eve because I won't have time to buy anything because I'll be in Paris. So one of my best friends coming over and we're ordering food, and then we're going out for cocktails. So we're gonna get lit again. I cannot wait. I really need to just get my mind off of everything. It is Christmas Eve. I'm so tired, but I'm gonna get up. I think it's 9:30. I just got home from running errands with my mom, which I didn't film because I didn't want to, and we were busy, and I don't feel comfortable vlogging in public yet. I'm now doing some editing. I need to make some more cinnamon rolls for my best friend who's coming over tonight because she wanted some. So I'm about to go make that dough as well. And then I also need to clean up my room a little because it's kind of a mess. I ordered a new straightener because I only have one straightener now, and I actually shared it with my mom because my mom's old straightener is like really bad. So I told her she can keep the one that we've been using now because I got a new one. I got one with titanium plates because I've been watching videos on doing like silk presses at home, and this one girl was saying how you need like a titanium straightener. So I got one so I can try doing silk presses on my hair when I take out my weave after Paris. I've actually been loving having a weave though. I might like end up getting another install later, but I don't know. Ooh. Hello. It is almost 1 p.m. I got up about at 10 a.m. I think, and I took a shower. I'm dead. And I made some breakfast, and my aunt was here. My mom just went out with her for like a little Christmas brunch. Merry Christmas, by the way. It's officially Christmas. Last night was really fun. I ended up getting a little drunk. I wasn't as drunk as I usually get, but it was like the last time, but it was like a different kind of drunk. Whatever, it was fun. I kind of want to make it a goal for next year to just stop drinking alcohol, even though it's like really fun and I enjoy doing it every now and then. I just get really messy and embarrassing, I feel like, when I'm drunk, and I send embarrassing stuff to a person. I did make myself a little goals, like bucket list. Let me read it to you. I don't know if I could do all of it, but I put move out, which hopefully next year I can do. Get my driver's license, buy a car, healthy mind and body, consistently work out. I really, really want to make it a habit to just go to the gym a couple times a week. No crazy like heavy workouts. I just want to consistently go, get on the treadmill, like do some exercises, just to be kind of toned and have like, I don't know, just consistently work out. I'm not saying fucking lift weights and shit, like nothing like that. Just like consistently go to the gym, get your workout in, and that's it. I want to go back to school. I really want to study fashion design next year. I want to travel more. Doesn't have to be like long, like really far away trips. Like even if it's like a weekend to like the UK, or like going to Paris for like a weekend, like little trips too, just like traveling and exploring other places. I want to get at least 15 new tattoos. I can do that easily because I always get multiple in one like sitting, one session. Probably going to be small tattoos, but definitely I'm gonna be able to do that one. I'm gonna pierce my nipples. I actually want to do that like after I get back from Paris, like in January, first week maybe. Really want to pierce my nipples, even though I'm terrified. I feel like I just have to do it. Like I feel like I just have to do it. I want to read at least one book a month, so don't know if I can do that, but I'm gonna try. I want to meditate every night before bed. I want to go to at least 5 concerts. I think I can do it because I already am going to 3 out of 5, which is going to be Nicki in March, then Ariana in August. Luke and I also want to go to the first show. We got tickets for the second one, and we also want to go to the first one, but we're just gonna get like last minute tickets for that. So that's like 3 out of 5. I'm hoping Black Bear is gonna tour next year. I don't know. He's coming out with a new album on Valentine's Day, so hopefully next year he's gonna tour. So that'll be 4 out of 5 hopefully, and then the 5th one, I don't know. And the last one is learn to speak a new language, which I don't know which one, like what language I want to learn. Either Japanese or like Spanish or French. So yeah, that's my list for right now. I feel like it's a pretty good one. Here in Holland, we have first and second day of Christmas, I guess. So tomorrow's like the second day, the 26th. That's when like my family's actually coming, like we're all eating and like celebrating. Today, I don't have any plans. So today is just a regular work day for me. I just finished doing some emails and I'm now gonna make some edamame because I feel like it. I bought these like leggings from Primark yesterday, and they're like velvet lined, so they're like really nice and warm and soft. They literally go up so high. Look at this. I just kind of pull them down. They're really, really big, and it's like a size small medium, but they're really stretchy, and they're not too big as in like the side, but they're just really long. So like they go all the way up here, and then also at the bottom, like there's, I have to roll them up. Oh, Dip. So cute. Eisen.
Stop with the consumer opinion. Oh. Ik weet niet of jullie dit hebben gedaan. Oké, wacht dan.
We're in Paris, and it's already been a mess. I went to the first Starbucks we saw, and I wanted a soy vanilla latte. They didn't have soy, didn't have almond milk. All they had was coconut milk, so I was like, all right, just do that. I got my drink, and it didn't have vanilla in it, so then I asked for a vanilla. She just dumped the vanilla in there. I'm like, whatever. So it was so fucking disgusting. I ended up throwing it out, and I got a grande, which was so sad. So then we walk around. I find another Starbucks. They still don't have soy or almond. They had oat milk, so I was like, okay, I'll try oat milk. It wasn't disgusting. It was just really sweet. I couldn't taste the coffee. Ooh. Oh my god, they're like walking around with guns. That's kind of really scary. We just made it to our Airbnb. We had to walk up 3 flights of stairs with our heavy ass suitcase. Really cute. This is the view. I think the toilet's right there. Luke is peeing.
Hey, sister.
This is the bathroom. That's cute. Oh, just like small and simple. Then here is the living room. Dining table thingy. Oh, this mirror is fucking disgusting. There's somewhat of a Christmas tree. And then this is the view here, and then there's the little kitchen. The kitchen's it's probably the cutest. Look at this. And then there's this little thing.
Hey, baby. Hey.
So cute.
This is cute.
I know. So yeah, we're here now. We kind of want to go to the Eiffel Tower later tonight.